It's a nice cold frigid day and we have an impending snowstorm coming up, so I need to change the wiper blades on my Tacoma, and wiper blades can get kind of expensive, but I still have the OEM blades, and so I'm gonna replace the inserts, the rubber inserts inside the blade, which is a lot cheaper solution. I've already replaced the rubber in these once, and this will be my second replacement. So with 142,000 miles, I have already went through the original and then one replacement and going to have a second replacement. So here are the inserts. The driver's side's a little longer than the passenger side. And what we are going to do is we're going to pull this clip up, pull the blade off, and then pull the rubber insert out and reinstall this. So first we'll take a screwdriver and just kind of pry it in here, pry this up like that, and then we should be able to just pull the blade out. You should be able to just pull it out like that. There we go. Now when we examine this, we have this end with these little metal runners, and on this side we have a thicker portion. So we're going to pull the insert out of these little channels that are in the blade. It may take a little work to get it started, because if you look, this little hook, it's going into that little hole right there, and there's a stop, and so you got to get the rubber around that stop to get this to pull out. There we go. So I went ahead and just kind of pulled that out a little bit to show you, but my hands are really cold and I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna have to put you down. So go ahead and just pull this out. Now if you look, there's this little metal channel they put in on both sides so the rubber holds its form. So we need to take that metal channel out and slide it into the new rubber insert. What we can do is just do it sideways like that, and it'll just pull out like that. And then when we're looking at the new rubber, we're going to put it in this top channel, and if you can kind of see, there's a little teeny rubber stop inside, and that will coincide with the little teeth on the metal strip. So we'll stick it back in here. And same thing at the other side. You will do it like this, and it'll be right here. Get it all the way in. Smooth it all out. There we go. Now it looks like this, and we will slide it back in to the blade. So right here we got this channel. We'll slide it in. Maybe we'll go the other direction. I'm sorry. We'll start from the back end. So the back end that doesn't have that thick part, slide in here on that the teeth, and just kind of guide it in all the way. Right here. Get down here, get this last inch. And up here, we slide it back in. We're going to lock it back in. Uh-oh, what happened here? Hold on, my fingers are cold. All right, so when you get to the end, you'll just slide it. There we go, and it locks it back in place. Now, we can go back up to the wiper arm and slide that back in there and lock it in place. And that's that one. Now I will do the driver's side. All right, that was pretty easy, and my fingers are cold. It's like 10 degrees out here. I'll post the part numbers for those wiper inserts. At the time of recording this in 2025, 2026, those wiper inserts were like less than 20 bucks from Toyota. So it's a lot cheaper solution than going to the auto parts store and spending $40+ for a set of wiper blades. Anyways, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out.